Hi guys! Good day. I hope you're fine and welcome back to our another episode of the profile review of the Miss Universe candidates 2021. Today, we're gonna be talking about Miss Ghana Naa Morkor Commodore. But before I begin, let me thank you guys for all your support to this channel, to my subscribers, to my new subscribers, and to all of you guys watching my videos. A big thanks to all of you. Without further ado guys, let's now start. So Miss Ghana Naa Morkor Commodore hails from Pram in the Greater Accra region of Ghana. As a trivia guys, Accra is the capital of Ghana. Talking about her pageant experiences, this woman is not a stranger to pageantry. It's because in 2016, she competed the Miss Intercontinental and she bagged the Miss Intercontinental Africa subtitle. And she was also the second runner-up of the Miss Intercontinental 2016. Wow. And in 2018, she joined Miss Universe Ghana and she was adjudged as the second runner-up. And for this year's 2021, finally, she was crowned Miss Universe Ghana last October 13, 2021 at the Labadi Beach Hotel in Accra. Wow, congratulations to Miss Commodore. Talking about her beauty, wow, look at it guys. She's so beautiful. She really represents the African beauty and it will be reflected on the photo. She is very nice. Look at her photo. Wow, those lips, those eyes, I love it. Talking about her figure, wow, this woman is very sexy. Look at her photo guys. Very stunning. Her skin, very flawless. I love it. In fact, her height is 5'11". Wow, very tall. Let's proceed guys to her educational background. This woman is an undergraduate of business administration. Talking about her career, Miss Commodore is a professional model, fashion entrepreneur, and a dancer. Wow. Let's proceed to her advocacy. Well, Miss Commodore inspires to be a pillar of hope for children who are forced to endure the ghostly nightmares of poverty in her community or in her country, Ghana. Wow. And she also dreams of building a dance school to empower the youth to survive today and equip them with the possibility of a better tomorrow. She really inspired to help the youths by her talents and her advocacy, and she is really a very admirable woman. I also love her humility and her kindness. One of her favorite quotes that her mother told her was, "Champions are made from trials, not triumphs." Wow. In conclusion, I believe this woman will have a spot for the Miss Universe 2021 because of her pageant experiences, her stunning and glamorous beauty, her humility and kindness to help children of her country. Wow, I really believed in her capacity. Well, what can you say, guys? If you have the same thoughts with me, don't forget, guys, to leave it down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please, guys, do not forget to subscribe if you want more of my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day ahead. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye.